Hey everyone, friends! This is the Valorant channel. Today I'll show you how to fix the issue where Valorant won't update. First, we'll need to try launching the client as administrator. After opening the app, try updating Valorant. Maybe that helped. If that didn't work, then go to your account settings, select Valorant, and click the repair button. If that doesn't help, try going to Google and searching for Valorant status. Status now. Let's check. And see if there are any issues here. Right now, at this moment, there are no problems. So if something's not working for you, the problem is on your end. Usually the previous steps fix it. That's it. This was Valor. See you all later.